How to update Facebook on Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can update Facebook app on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Updating the Facebook app on Android is actually quite a simple thing. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure that you're connected to a reliable internet connection. Once you make sure that you are connected to a good internet connection, open up your Play Store and search for the Facebook app. Now, if the Facebook app requires an update, you will see an update button there instead of open. If it says open and uninstall and there is no update button, it means that the app is already updated to the latest version and there is nothing that you could do about it. So if it's updated, it means it's already updated. If you see the update button there, it means it requires an update, so update it to the latest version. So I hope that the video helped you as to how you can update the Facebook app on Android. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comments section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.